we're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now, we're sharing it with you. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best service, and we're proud to say, according to our reviews, we're doing a great job. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.